Are we only our genes? Is there something more? Something hidden under the surface? In 2003, scientists have determined the complete sequence of nucleotide-based pairs that make up human DNA, and they identified and mapped all the genes of the human genome. But I believe that we are more than our genes. Have you ever heard about Connectome? In 1953, the scientist Sidney Brenner decided to identify all the cells of a small organism called Chenarhabitis elegans. After 12 years of hard work, he described all the function of all the living cells, neurons included. This organism is composed by 302 neurons and 7,000 connections. Big numbers, but nothing compared with our brain. Thanks to his work, a new discipline was born, and then it was called connectomics. But wait, what are neurons? A neuron is an electrically excitable cell that communicates with other cells via specialized connections called synapses. Neurons have different shapes and different functions, and they are typically divided into three categories: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. More connected neurons create a neural circuit. But what about considering the entire relationship between the totality of our brain cells? In the unstoppable desire to find an answer to this question, scientists are developing a map of our neural connections. That is Connectome. In our neurons, we preserve our information, our flavors, our memories. But due to neural plasticity, sometimes we strengthen some connection and sometimes we lose them. So Connectome is going to be a dynamical map of our connections, and maybe it could find an answer to secular questions, such as who am I, what is cosines, what are thoughts. Connectome is something that is influenced by our thoughts and our beliefs every single day, because our neural activity is shaped by what we think and how we react to events. Everyone, if he wants, can be the sculptor of his own brain, as Ramon Hikayat, the father of neuroscience, once said. In order to understand it better, the neuroscientist Sebastian Seung explained that we can think of Connectome by considering a stream. Wait, what? Yes, as the riverbed determines the path that the water must follow to reach from the mountain in the mouth, so the connections determine the path that our thoughts and of our neural activity in general. The connectome is therefore the stream bed. But there's more. Over time, the water can reshape the riverbed, which means that our neural activity can reshape our connectome. Everything is constantly changing, and we can really be the master of our minds.